Hey everyone, here's a quick little step-by-step how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. If you've made it this far, congrats, and I hope this is helpful. First, you're gonna go into your YouTube studio and click Earn. And from here, you'll scroll down and you'll see Apply Now. And that will bring you to this page where you see the things you need to do. First, we'll review base terms. Once you read through that, just click Accept. And there, just as simple as that. Step 1 done. Step 2 is to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So I'm going to click Start here, and they're going to ask you if you already have an AdSense account or not. I do not have one, so I will click No. Continue. And now I'm going to access my email and fill in the country. And then there's some more terms and conditions that you'll read through, and if everything sounds okay, accept and set up your account. Once you're done with that part, the final step is just to wait while YouTube reviews your application. All right, that's it. Congrats again, and good luck on your YouTube journey. Thanks for watching.